Are you ready to unlock the hidden treasure chest of Africa's fastest-growing economy? Welcome to the Nigerian stock market, where fortunes are made and opportunities are endless.
Imagine turning 10,000 naira into 100,000 naira in under a year. Sounds impossible? Not in Nigeria's stock market. Stay tuned, because today I'm sharing why now is the best time to jump in. If you're new here, welcome to Market Formula, your go-to channel for insider tips on making money in Nigeria's thriving markets. Hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity. Nigeria boasts the largest GDP in Africa, and we're growing at over 3.5% annually. As companies expand, so do their stock prices, translating economic growth directly into your portfolio. Many Nigerian companies are still trading below their intrinsic value. That means you can snap up blue-chip stocks at bargain prices before everyone else and ride the upside when the market corrects. Expect yields north of 5%, twice what many global peers offer. Adding Nigerian stocks reduces risk and boosts returns when global markets get volatile. With apps like Chaka and Bamboo, you can buy shares straight from your phone. No broker calls, no paperwork. Meet Ngozi, a university grad who turned 50,000 naira into 300,000 naira by investing in fintech startups, and Tunde, who funded his second business after just 2 years of trading consumer stocks. These aren't outliers, they're examples of what's possible. Decide if you're in for short-term trades or long-term holds, then stick to your plan. Of course, no market is risk-free. Currency fluctuations, political shifts, and liquidity can impact returns, but you can manage these by diversifying and staying informed. So, what are you waiting for? The Nigerian stock market is ripe with opportunity. Hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for weekly market insights, and drop a comment. Which stock are you eyeing first? Let's build wealth together right here on Market Formula.